Not to disrespect Salt. Surely not. Surely not. Oh. Oh no, he's bad. Oh my god, he's bad, he's bad, he's bad. Oh my god, oh my god. More not to disrespect Salt. Where did he get so salty? That sounds bad. Okay, alright. Oh my god, you can't kill him. Oh no, he's gone.
Yeah, you fixed the shotgun daybreak! You did a
No, that was bad. Bro, came in with that ambush. Had how many shots? Failed. Whoa, look at this shit. And then he came back, was like, no.
Yeah, you fixed the shotgun daybreak! You did a
No, my man came back and was like, actually, you know what? Hold up. I ain't gonna let you disrespect me like that. Get down. Dead. Alright, I'm going back to my car. Who do you think you're shooting at? I'm dead. No, this is amazing. Bro, look how many shots he missed. 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, you fixed the shotgun daybreak! You did a good job! You guys spent how many months? Huh? How many months have you spent on this patch?
Damn. Damn.